with CammieHallRealEstate.com, powered by TCRE, and I want to welcome you to 214 Range Road, Waxahachie, Texas 75165. So come on in. This delightful 2013 John Huston home boasts 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This home offers tall ceilings and an ideal open floor plan concept, making the living and eating areas spacious, comfortable, and functional. As you enter, you will notice the formal dining room to the left and a large living room straight ahead with a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen is directly connected, boasting granite countertops and lots of counter space and cabinets for storage. Your separate laundry room is just down the hall near the 2-car garage. You will enjoy peace and privacy with the split bedroom arrangement in this home. The large master suite features a garden tub, separate shower, double sinks, a large walk-in closet, and separate commode. Relax in the fenced backyard or barbecue under the large covered patio while your children or grandchildren play on the wooden playset in the back. And don't forget, this home gives you community access to pools, ponds, playgrounds, and even a splash pad. Here, children will attend Waxahachie ISD schools, including Margaret L. Felty Elementary School, currently one of the highest rated public schools in the area, as well as Robert E. Howard Junior High and Waxahachie High School. This is a great location, minutes from I-35 and Highway 287. And it's near shopping, restaurants, medical, walking trails, and even a fishing tank nearby. For more information on the area, or to view the virtual tour of this home, click the link below. If you are thinking about buying or selling a home in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, contact me today. As always, I'm Cammie Hall, making dreams reality one home at a time. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.